Hey guys, I wanted to apologize for taking so long to get to even one of the recipes for presents, gifts. I found out that my Instagram videos weren't loading the entire video, so I had to go back on and fix that. So now you can view the full version of those if you're watching this on Instagram. Tonight we are making a peppermint foot scrub. I've got a cup of sugar here. You could also use Epsom salts instead. I don't have any, so that's why it's sugar. I've got my Young Living peppermint oil. I've got half a cup of coconut oil. You could also use olive oil instead. And then I've got a 250 ml little glass jar here. That way the oils don't erode the plastic. They can't erode glass. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the coconut oils right into the sugar. And then we're going to do about 15 drops of the peppermint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we're just going to mix everything up. I did not melt my coconut oil before this, so it might take a little longer. But it doesn't take much for it to melt. I think it starts melting at like 76 degrees, so it doesn't take more than like 10-15 seconds in the microwave if you want to do that first. And the peppermint is really strong. I love it. Yeah, I got a little messy. That's okay. And then I'm just going to keep mixing, and I will add a picture of the finished product in this little jar. If you want, you can also add some food coloring to make it a pretty color. Right now, I am happy with the whites. I'm just trying to get all the sugar mixed in and oh, this smells so good. I love peppermint. Alright, so there we have it. It's pretty mixed in, quite clumpy, which is fine. That way you've got just enough oil to sugar or Epsom salt to really get a good scrub. So we're just going to go ahead and put this in there. And I used a wide mouth jar, that way they could get their hands in it easily and not have to worry about taking a spoon with them or something into the shower or bath. Actually, I will probably be using this one myself. But I can easily make more. Alright, I think this just might get the whole recipe. Almost, maybe not quite. Alright, I think that's good. You've got just a little bit there left over for yourself. So you've got a gift and a little extra. Alright, so there you have it. There is your peppermint foot or hand scrub. Talk to you guys later.